back to the rabbit hole. Today I'm doing the invisible wall versus my cats. So to make the invisible wall, we're going to be using this plastic wrap, putting it on the wall. Then we're going to be putting my cats behind it, and then seeing if they figure out how to get it. So let's just make it. I think I got those, but he won. So if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button to join the Bunny Clan. And remember, if you want to see another challenge, like another thing with my cats, remember to hit that like button. And remember to hop on into my next video. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!